Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I thought I would come on and just give you an update on my Bible journaling project that I'm kind of experimenting with. Somebody had asked me about doing a kit for Bible journaling, so I decided to give it a try, and I did the January one, and the subject was creation. And so I was experimenting with them myself to see how they worked and see what might, be good to have for going on in the future. So I'm going to show you what I've done. I started out, and whoever it was that suggested it or asked about it had said she wanted to do a scripture a day. Well, I couldn't really give you an exhaustive kit for that at a reasonable price. So what I did is I picked a subject, and I'm hoping that if you use these, sometimes, we think we're going to do a Bible journal and we get overwhelmed because it's like, what do I do? There's a million subjects I could cover, so many things. And so my hope was that if I just picked a lane, so to speak, we could start. And since it was January, and since I had just done junk journaling kit on creation, I decided to do a small kit on that. And since it's the beginning of the year, here we go, creation. So I gave you words and such. Now this January is actually from the February kit. The months I put in the new February kit because I didn't think about it in January. So anyway, but here's what I did. So I'm going to try to do a similar heading for each month that looks this style. And, day one, I did those, day 1, day 2, day 3. I do little doodling. I didn't do, it's not like a notebook, obviously. I kind of free-formed it. And then I looked at other scriptures that related to light, because God is light, and there's so many scriptures about that. So I kind of went off from that and talked about light. And then, so I had 3 days per, I picked 10 kind of subjects, and I allowed myself 3 days in this journal to see how it would work out. Now what I found out in the process is that's way too much for me, or else the other problem might be that this journal's too big for me. I probably needed a smaller journal. And I would bet you all are using smaller journals, but I had this already and I thought, I'm just going to use it. So here we have day 1 was light, and so I did all sorts of things about light. And then day 2 was the sky, and I did what it said in Genesis, and then I did another scripture. And so like I said, 3 pages. So here I scattered out the little pieces from the kit. Here's a pocket to put things in, and another scripture about the sky and the third heaven from 2 Corinthians 12:2. And then day 3, land and plants, and I did what it said there in Genesis, and I just doodled. I didn't really have a lot to say on that. I liked this. I have some scriptures about trees that I like a lot. And so you can kind of see what I did. And then day 4 was sun, moon, and stars. I put what it said in Genesis and the illustration that I put in the kit, and some other scriptures about that. He determines the number of the stars and calls them each by name. Psalm 147:4. I love that scripture. So I did this little doodle here down the side and put here's the one from Job. Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades? Can you loosen Orion's belt? Those are, constellations in the sky. And then day 5, birds and sea creatures. And I just kind of doodled and put the scripture from Genesis about it and carried it on. And I have plenty of room to come back and add on this subject my thoughts. And then land animals and humans was day 6. So I put the Genesis scripture and my little doodles here, and you can see I did some paper scrapping, and that's decoupage there that I did. And there's the illustration that was in the kit. And Adam and Eve, and I put that scripture. I've got plenty of room for day 7. God rested. So here's the scripture from Genesis. And I continued on my thoughts about the Sabbath. Here's the illustration of God walking in the garden with Adam and Eve. And then I talked about the 2 trees, because I'm kind of enthralled with that. And I need to go in and there's scriptures, the beginning of the Bible starts with the 2 trees. And then when you go to the end of the Bible, Revelation, we see the tree again, the tree of life. It shows back up. And so I need to connect those dots, but I haven't done it yet. So I did some more doodling, and then I talked about the rivers that came. That was in Genesis 2, the 4 rivers that came out of Eden. And then I talked about the serpent and temptation, and did my doodling. Here's the picture that was in the kit. And tempted. Here's Romans. It says, nevertheless, death reigned from Adam until Moses, even over those who had not sinned, in the likeness of Adam, who is a type of him who was to come. In the likeness of the offense of Adam, who is a type of him who was to come. And here's one for 1 Corinthians. And then I did Out of the Garden, which was another picture from the kit. And I've got, the Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love, he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. That's in Zephaniah. And then there's a page on the curse. And I put Galatians 3:13, Christ redeemed us from the curse of the law, having become a curse for us. For it is written, cursed is everyone who hangs on a tree. And that is as far as I got. I still have a few little pieces left that I can use. So I'm just going to try to, I think I'll put an envelope in here and just keep my little extra pieces in it. Here it is. So I think I'll just glue that in somewhere. And so that now we're ready to start on February. And I started by cutting out all my pieces pretty much. And then I decided I would wait and see where I want these strips. So I have them, I haven't cut that sheet up, but I've got all my scriptures cut out, ready to go on that. So here's the heading for this month. And what I was going to say is I don't think I'm going to try to do 30 pages. This was 30 pages, and I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to not force myself into any set format or set time limit on this. So I might just say this is February, I'm going to work on it, because that's kind of how I worked on this. I didn't go day by day. I'm not that structured. So I will probably do a section on this, and then during February I'm going to try and make this happen, and that's how I'll work. But you can work however you want. So I don't know if that helps anybody. So we will continue on with this project and see what you do. And I'd love for you guys to come on, go to the Facebook group, which is called Jesusjunkjournals with an S, Jesusjunkjournals Creators with an S. That's the name of the group, Jesusjunkjournals Creators. And post pictures of what you've done if you're working on a journal. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.